The steps and methods to bind buttons and knobs on the S10 as follows. First, pull down the interface on the main screen. Tap on the settings icon. Find the buttons and knobs option on the left side of the page. Here you can see 3 options: up button, knob, and down button. You can also configure the button indicator lights. Click on the up button. You can set up binding to control music playback, devices, and scenes. You can control music for track skipping and play pause functions. However, please note that you can only select one of them for control. You can select your frequently used devices for control. Note, a button can only be bound to control one device. Click on the second knob option. You can control music and devices using the knob. The principle for the down button is the same as the up button. You can also set frequently used shortcuts for primary control using the button. You can also choose whether to enable indicator lights here. Follow me for more product information.